It's Tuesday, and I'm in Boulder. A little chilly start, but at least the sun is out. Should be 40 today. It's 20-ish right now. Starting with a little maple for the root plant. Actually, it'll be a foundation of the driveway. Nonetheless, that'll go good. And then I'm going to go back out this gate and around the other side. And there's roots from a stump that was previously ground and a pretty big elm. And then I have 2 replants a couple miles from here, a big, and then 5 little stumps at an HOA. So a little bit of jumping around, but we will see how it goes. Hope you guys are having a great day. We'll see you in a bit. didn't get to the last job. Went and did a bid, took a little while, talked to a cool dude. Locate issues, address issues, all sorts of issues on the last one. So didn't get to it. Gonna do it next week, I think. The 852 was giving me a little bit of a headache. It appears the M prop and the PRV. So it's like a harness that controls the fuel pressure to the injectors. It's wearing out. And so it was killing the machine in that last video. So parts are in stock. I guess it happens a lot on the drills that use the Deutz motor that the 852 has. Just shy of 1,500 hours. Second mechanical. First one was at like 12 or 1,300 hours. So it's hard to be mad. That's pretty freaking awesome. But it sounds like it's going to give me a little bit of a headache. I'm going to drop it off on Thursday. I'm going to try and use it tomorrow and Thursday morning, but I'm going to go and put the Bandit on as a backup in case the 852 is being temperamental. So, it sucks. But second mechanical in almost 3 years. Almost. I think May will be 3 years. So, man, it's hard to be upset about it. Like, it's done very well. And I'm very, very much in love with Vermeer because the stuff just works. So, yeah, I got to do that. But yeah, I'm going to get the Bandit for tomorrow. I got to look at the jobs. I don't know quite what I have to do, but maybe, you know, if the 852 is being a temperamental, I could use the Bandit, and hopefully the Bandit's working. So that's my day. Hope you guys had a good one. Hopefully it'll be warmer tomorrow, and yeah, we'll go and get after it and see what we could do. Have a good night. Thanks for watching. You guys are great. And I'll see you in the morning. Later.